Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions. It can plan tasks, make decisions, and even complete work step by step. This is called an AI agent. But what exactly is an AI agent? Let's find out. Hello everyone and welcome to Riaz Academy. In today's video, we will learn what an AI agent is, how it works, and why it is becoming one of the most exciting developments in artificial intelligence. Let's begin. An AI agent is an AI system that can perform tasks to achieve a goal. Unlike a normal chatbot that simply answers questions, an AI agent can think through a series of steps, make decisions, and carry out actions. In simple words, an AI agent is like a smart digital assistant that can work towards completing a task. An AI agent usually follows four simple steps. First, it receives a goal or instruction. Second, it makes a plan. Third, it performs the required actions. And finally, it checks the results and improves its next step if needed. This process allows the AI agent to solve more complex problems than a simple chatbot. Imagine you want to plan a family trip. Instead of only answering one question, an AI agent could search for hotels, compare prices, prepare a travel plan, and organize everything into one schedule. It performs several connected tasks to achieve your goal. AI agents can save time, increase productivity, and help people complete complicated work more effectively. They are already being developed for education, healthcare, business, customer services, and scientific research. As AI technology improves, AI agents are expected to become even more useful. Remember, an AI chatbot mainly answers questions, but an AI agent can plan, decide, and complete tasks. Understanding AI agents helps us understand the future direction of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.